So these are the latest rocks, which these are pretty detailed too. Even the damn ground around them got scanned. Trick is getting them to look that good in the game. After reducing the poly count to a manageable level, which you can see this is quite heavy. I mean, that'd be the only thing you could run on the whole level at that quality. But yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do to get them down. I'll try to bake the texture like I did on the other rock, but that's kind of hit and miss when that works. So see how they look in here. I mean, they'll look just as good in here, if not better. But how many polygons you think, or triangles rather, this is right now? You got to guess. Wild guess. 50,000, 100,000. Let me get it centered. 1 million. I'm guessing 1 million. 800,000. I'll tell you right now, it is. Oh, I was off. 696,000. Go to edit mode and kind of see what you're dealing with. Yeah, it's quite a bit. Quite a bit. So we're gonna get that to around 1,000. So yeah, that's the thing. It just won't look good once you get it reduced that much. So I'm gonna try to do something. I'm gonna try to bake the texture, which I'm not gonna make a video on that yet. I want to make sure I got a good understanding of it. So